All right, here we go, new route. Jamaica Pond to Brookline Village. Stick with us, we'll show some cool stuff on this one here. And first of all, this intersection, it's light right now, but this is a very, very dangerous intersection. I would definitely not only wait for your light, but double, triple check after that. Jamaica Pond to Brookline Village. Check out a overlooked but very beautiful park and public space, kind of nestled between JP and Brookline. Here on the outside of the pond, you're good to go for cycling, right where we're at. All right, crossing this intersection here, edge of the pond and Perkins. We're actually gonna go left. We're not gonna use that path this time. Right now in the morning, in the winter, it might be, have some hidden ice on there. But either way, we've got a lot of different routes. We're gonna use them all. Cruising down here, we got a guy in front of us. We're gonna take a right. Bike lane's gonna get sawed off. We got cars coming, as you can see. Very careful in here. We're gonna kind of continue to wiggle around this circle. We're gonna go a different way, but to the right. I'm gonna keep going straight here. To the right, you see Olmsted Park. Very nice. It's just not plowed adequately right now. I'm not willing to go out there and mess on that ice. It's just to our right. You can see people out there using it. Still, he's on it, but it looks a little slick to me. That was part of what I'm afraid of going around the other side, along Jamaica Way. Not being plowed and then not enough sun on it, could be icy. We'll come in here this last portion. Looks like it's been cleared off better. All right, so we're crossing now. Got this nice crosswalk Look for this bike lane to the immediate left. Right here, we're getting on it. And now we're into Brookline Village. So there's Jamaica Pond to Brookline Village, a different way, winter conditions.